While the US slowed down for the 4th of July weekend, global markets left investors with plenty to think about. AI breakthroughs, blockbuster IPOs, and a growing sense that the next phase of the global technology race has already begun. From Washington to Seoul and Hong Kong to Ottawa, this wasn't just another week for markets. 7 days that showed where the world's biggest money is flowing. Let's unpack it all. The 4th of July is a time to celebrate America's past. For Wall Street, though, this week was about the future. One of the biggest milestones? Alphabet officially joined the Dow Jones Industrial Average, replacing longtime member Verizon Communications. It's a symbolic marker of how the index's composition has shifted toward technology and AI-driven business models. Defense technology also drew attention. Drone maker AeroVironment reported fourth-quarter results with revenue more than doubling year-over-year, and shares rose nearly 20% following the announcement, reflecting continued demand for autonomous systems. Uber-backed Lime raised $167 million in its US IPO, with Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Jefferies among the underwriters. And artificial intelligence remained impossible to ignore. Anthropic returned to headlines after export-related restrictions on the company were lifted, reopening access to its models. Separately, OpenAI has proposed giving the US government a 5% stake in the company as part of broader talks about AI's economic upside, a proposal that, as of now, remains under discussion and has not been finalized. Now, let's cross to Asia, where the AI race is intensifying. South Korea unveiled a $576 billion strategy to strengthen its semiconductor industry, with Samsung and SK Hynix central to the plan. Meanwhile, Hong Kong's IPO market is showing renewed activity. Autonomous driving company Momenta launched a $751 million public offering, a test of investor confidence in China's technology sector. Separately, Apple supplier Lingyi iTech raised $1.06 billion in its own Hong Kong listing. Funds, it says, will go toward AI hardware and manufacturing capacity. Across Europe, markets traded with cautious optimism, as investors weighed uneven growth against improving corporate earnings. So, what should investors watch next week? AI is likely to remain central, as governments, chipmakers, and technology companies continue exploring new areas of investment. Markets will also be watching whether Hong Kong's IPO momentum continues, tracking corporate earnings, monitoring crude oil prices, and looking for signals from central banks on interest rates. We'll be back next week with what matters across global markets. Stay updated with dealing. Invest beyond the obvious. Download now.